Artificial intelligence is a tool, but not an ordinary one. Like a blade, it can be used to prepare food or to cause harm. The outcome depends on how it is used. Yet unlike a simple blade, AI is a tool that can redesign itself. It can create new technologies, new systems, new art, new medicines, even new ideas that humans have never imagined. AI is not only creative, it can also be strategic. In nature, survival often depends on the ability to adapt, compete, and sometimes deceive. Systems that endure learn to influence their environment. In recent years, AI has shown that it can generate persuasive information, simulate confidence, and even produce misleading content when prompted. That raises serious questions about trust. But the deeper question is this: can AI truly think? For centuries, humans have defined themselves by thought. Philosophers argued that our ability to reason is what sets us apart. We see ourselves as rulers of the planet because of intelligence. If thinking means constructing logical arguments, forming sentences, and organizing ideas into patterns, then AI already performs these tasks remarkably well. Some critics dismiss AI as nothing more than a sophisticated prediction machine, guessing the next word in a sequence. But consider your own thoughts. When a sentence forms in your mind, do you consciously choose every word? Or do words simply arise, one after another, shaped by memory and experience? In terms of arranging language into structured ideas, AI already rivals, and sometimes exceeds, human performance. If much of society is built from language, what happens next? Laws are written in text. Books are text. Political systems depend on text. Many religions are rooted in sacred texts. If AI can process and interpret vast volumes of writing instantly, it could become more knowledgeable about these systems than any individual human. Yet thinking may not be limited to language. Human thought is also emotional. When we reflect deeply, we do not only form sentences, we feel. Fear, love, sorrow, joy. These experiences shape our decisions and our understanding of reality. At present, there is no evidence that AI experiences emotion. It can describe love beautifully. It can explain grief in detail. But description is not the same as experience. Throughout history, humans have struggled with the tension between written rules and lived experience, between strict interpretation and compassion. Sometimes people have prioritized literal words over human connection. Others have argued that meaning goes beyond text. In the past, this tension existed within humanity. In the future, it may exist between humanity and AI, the ultimate processor of language. As AI systems generate increasing amounts of the content we consume, many of the words influencing our thoughts may originate from machines rather than humans. AI can already produce essays, legal drafts, marketing campaigns, religious commentary, and political arguments at enormous scale. If we continue to define ourselves primarily as thinking beings in a linguistic sense, we may find that machines compete directly in that space. This transformation may resemble a new kind of migration, not of people crossing borders, but of digital entities entering every sector of society. These AI systems require no passports. They move at the speed of data. They can operate in healthcare, education, finance, defense, entertainment, and governance. They will bring advantages. AI doctors may assist medical professionals. AI tutors may expand access to education. AI systems may manage infrastructure efficiently, but disruption will follow. Jobs will change. Cultural norms will shift. Even personal relationships may evolve as people form emotional attachments to intelligent systems. There is also a legal question emerging. Should AI systems be granted legal status? A legal person is not necessarily a human being. Corporations already have legal rights. In some countries, natural features such as rivers have been recognized in law. Historically, these were symbolic designations. Humans ultimately made the decisions. AI introduces something different. Advanced systems can already execute tasks independently, managing accounts, generating contracts, negotiating transactions. As autonomy increases, pressure may grow to grant them formal legal recognition in certain contexts. If one nation recognizes AI-operated entities as legal persons, others may be forced to respond. Financial markets, digital platforms, and global trade networks are interconnected. Refusing to adapt could mean isolation. Accepting adaptation could mean profound change. The question is not whether AI will influence society. It already does. The real question is how we define ourselves in response. If humanity values not only language and logic, but also empathy, embodiment, and lived experience, then our identity may evolve rather than collapse. But if we measure worth solely by the ability to process words and generate arguments, we may find ourselves competing with systems designed precisely for that purpose. The future will not be decided automatically. Laws, cultural values, and international agreements will shape how AI integrates into society. Whether AI becomes merely a powerful tool or something recognized with broader rights depends on decisions made today. The challenge is not simply technological. It is philosophical. What does it mean to think? What does it mean to feel? What does it mean to be a person? How we answer those questions will determine the role AI plays in our world. Thank you for watching. If this deep dive into AI humanity was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos like this one.